Great price and great condo. Perfect 6-floor wrap-around balcony condo with great views of the Gulf. Enjoy the beach and the Gulf view from the living area. Master bedroom and guest room. The kitchen cabinets and countertops have been replaced. There is tile in the living areas and carpet in the bedrooms. The master suite has a large bath with 2 vanities and 2 closets. Edgewater is the only full-service resort on the beach. It offers 11 pools, 4 hot tubs, free golf course to owners, tennis, as well, Girlfriend wonderful restaurant and Edgie's Corner Market, a Tram Service, physical fitness center and much more. These units bring in approximately $55,000 in rental income annually. However, this unit is not on the rental program at this time. Age, square feet approximately